Hi everyone, it's fantastic to be here on morning one of the 2026 Australian Auto Aftermarket and Collision Repair Expo. We've got 400 plus exhibitors, we've got people everywhere. There's training and demonstrations and tools and equipment and such an incredible energy and buzz.
It's incredible. I think the force that our industry has come out with this year is amazing. There's a robot walking around behind me. Every stand seems to have a sense of new technology, particularly sensors and electronics.
So Safe Group is 50 years this year, and we're proud to be the major sponsor of the Collision Repair Expo again for 2026. We've supported the Expo since its inception.
You have to come to events like this to get the wow factor of how inspiring it is to be part of this industry. So I'd really encourage young people out there that are thinking about the automotive industry to get here and actually see what's on offer.
If you're a workshop owner in Australia, get along to the Expo. So many suppliers in the room to showcase what they've got, and collectively as an industry, it highlights how strong we are.
Maybe you have a passion for technology or electronics or computers, and all of that skill is wrapped up into what we do.
The tech that we see coming out of other countries, they make an effort to come internationally, and we get to see the newest. We get to have giant spaces like the Diagnostic Discovery Zone that we can do hands-on training in there. So if you're a workshop owner and you want to see something that might be the latest tech, if you're in the industry and you're more commercial, it's a great place to go around and meet all of the suppliers in one place.
Everyone's out here to have a look and investigate stuff, so they are receptive to your message. You're not trying to intrude on their workspace and work time. They've come here to learn and research. We get to see what other people are doing. We learn what the market's doing. Secondly, we make really good contacts for business. This year, we have made really good, valuable connections. We'd never heard of them. They'd never heard of us. They are coming in tomorrow to meet us, and we should be doing substantial business out of that. Apart from that, it's good fun.
It's technology, talent, innovation training under one roof.
The turnout has been amazing. A lot of workshop owners, mechanics, apprentices, the best suppliers, distributors, all under the one roof.
All the best brands I expected to see here, and then a bunch of new ones. It's a really big, important deal to come to training. Technology changes faster than you could ever imagine.
Staying up on technology, knowing what's coming down the rail for you guys is incredibly important, and training is where that's at.
All the things that are happening at this expo are top tier. There's panel beaters going on. We got welding happening. There's painting components. Everything that you could possibly imagine and more is here.
Every single stage of painting a car, every sanding disc, PPE, I could go on forever.
This event is excellent, particularly for the uni students who are deciding, is this industry for me? They see the amount of innovation, the international brands, a lot of things happening that they can really sink their teeth into. So it's just important that you're up to speed with what's happening, and that's why it's worth making the effort to get to Melbourne.
Whether it's the training, the networking, and then other people that can help you down the road, other opportunities, that alone is worth more than the time you're going to miss at work.
It's a great show and one that shouldn't be missed.
It's a big highlight of my year. I really love it, and people should get down here, otherwise they're missing out.